Welcome back. We have a breaking update coming in on part of NIA. There has been a trafficking racket that has now been busted as illegal arms were being trafficked, and 4 accused have now been arrested after multiple raids that has been conducted. These searches that happened in over 20 locations, including in 3 states, in illegal arms and ammunition trafficking case that we are looking at. Priyank, the information coming across that the team sees large quantity of arms and ammunition and over 1 crores in cash, several digital and electronic devices as well. Can you give us the update, please?
Yes, Satya. Over the period of 8 to 20 hours, there were raids which were carried out by the NIA officials at 22 locations, and following to which these raids have concluded till late last night. And what we have got to know that 4 more accused have been arrested. This case pertains to illegal smuggling of arms, and the team has seized large ammunition from several locations, and 1 crore rupee cash has also been recovered along with a digital device. This is the raid which was carried out in UP, Haryana as well as in Bihar. What NIA has said that Shashi Prakash from Patna, Ravi Ranjan from Sheikhpura, Vijay Kalra as well as Kush Kalra from Kurukshetra have been actively involved in the large syndicates engaging trafficking and scales of purchase of illegal ammunition. This was being given to several terror organizations also, following to which this arrest has been made by the National Investigation Agency.
Looking at 4 of these accused have been arrested in searches that amounted to over 20 locations in 3 states in connection with illegal arms and ammunition trafficking case. Thank you very much, Priyank, for getting us those details. Back after a short break.